Well, hello and welcome to snakeriverjunction. My name is Gary. In this video, I'm working on a AHM. It's a GP18 and it's the Chesapeake, Ohio, the Chessie system railroad locomotive. The train you see here is an AHM, and its road name is the Chessie system. Chesapeake and Ohio locomotive. To take the shell off, there are two screws underneath the front truck. And the shell should come off. Be careful not to break the clip in the back. To remove the trucks from the chassis, use your screwdriver to remove the clip that's holding the truck. Then you can slip the truck assembly off the frame. Then I remove the bottom clip to get access to the wheels and gears. I'm going to take the hook and horn out. Don't need that. I'm going to put a coupler box right on top of that. Removing the wheels. Look at all that grease. I then use a screwdriver to push in the two pins holding the two halves of the truck's frames together. Removing the worm gear, then the gears. Repeated the process for the rear truck. The locomotive has been disassembled. I need to clean all the parts and the aperture and then put it all back together. Putting a little high temperature bearing grease on the pins before installing the gears. Put some around the gear. Then installing the gears. Put the medium sized one in. And the small one. And the worm gear. A little oil. And I'll snap the other half on. Reinstalling the wheels, making sure the electrical pickups are seated correctly. Adding a little grease to the geared wheels. Reinstall the bottom clip to the truck. There we go. Before I put that in, I want to put a coupler box right about right there. I completed the process for the second truck before working on the couplers. I drilled a hole for a 256 screw using a tap and drill set. I then secure the coupler box with a small screw. Installing the trucks. This through. And the clip. Now the front truck. Slip it in. Careful of the wires. Then the light holder clip. And you slip shell on. You want to tilt it a little bit so that clip in the back gets put in place. Reinstalling the screws. all back together with new couplers. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye for now.